So we're going to talk to my homahi, Kasia. Actually, Kasia's a really great singer. I feel like she could sing us a song. He honore? He honore.
You on lockdown most of the time there with arms like that, bro?
Yep.
Truth, eh? Bro, I'm on lockdown with arms like these, bro. Hey? I just imagine I had those ones. Oh, mate. You come to Tokoroa much?
No, I don't actually. Only when I have to come here for mahi.
What's wrong with you, girl? Now, George has been out and about over there in the heart of the South Waikato, Tokoroa. George, how was the experience there, buddy?
Oh, it's beautiful. Lots of beautiful people in Tokoroa.
So how was it, Kasi? How were the people of Tokoroa?
Oh, beautiful. They were lovely. They were great.
What's up, Vibers? We're here at Te Wānanga Aotearoa. Who have we got here on the barbecue?
Kasia.
George.
Who do we have here?
JD?
So who have we got here?
Tarini.
And what do you do? Tell us.
I am a TWoA recruitment advisor.
Tyranny. I love the glasses, just quietly.
Thank you.
Do you
Your glasses are great too, yeah.
Awesome. And what's on the menu today, guys?
Just your classic sausage, onion, sauce and mustard.
Part of my role is to help our kaiako in all our different campuses fill their classes. So that's one of the reasons why we're here today, is just promote some of our programs that we've got going for SEMB.
And just quickly, George, what's the name of that program?
Smart Steps to Business.
Does that have anything to do with sausages?
It can do.
It's about coming with a business idea and then launching that business idea. So you'll learn all the fundamental skills to be able to, at the end, apply to and run a successful business.
That's starting in the next few weeks.
Come in and have a talk to our ladies at the reception, see what programs that we have available here in Tokoroa.
Here we go. Putting it together. Look at that whānau. The old sausage with a bit of red onion and then probably with some they've even got mustard. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Ooh.
We also have a rongoa program, so Māori medicine, and a tikanga program, and te reo. So those are probably our four popular ones here in Tokoroa. Yep.
Professionals at this. Hey, you're pretty good at that, Gil. Have you done this before?
Oh, this is actually my first time, but it just seems to be coming naturally to me.
Oh, natural. There we go, team. Te Wānanga Aotearoa. Check out all the details below on how you can join their program in semester B.
Microphone check. Let's do a little bit of a rap. B-boy. B-boy. I said B-boy. Kasia.
Thanks for catching up.
Peace.
Raukawa Vibes for Mai Fresh Outs.